can use a cup of water to level a mantle. So like, if the land's flat and water levels itself, how can it be in a ball, I guess?
Exactly. If the Earth is 70% water, where's it starting to curve? Once you find a flat surface on a sphere, it can no longer be a sphere. And, you know, they've set up the Antarctic Treaty in 1959.
You see it from other places in photographs, it looks like a ball.
What photographs?
I don't know, I'm just saying.
No one has a photograph of it looking like a ball. Now, there's CGI photos or CGI images on NASA's.gov where you can go and look at them, and below it says artist rendering or illustration.
Okay.
But it's not a picture. There are no photos. The only photos they claim are real is the one that was taken from the moon.
What do you think about the moon thing? You think that was filmed in a studio?
Well, obviously it was filmed in a studio.
Yeah, that was obvious.
But they say that photo taken from the moon of the Earth is real. But we can stand here and look in the sky at night and look at the moon, and we see how big the moon is in our sky. But if we stand in that photo on the moon, when they were standing there looking at the Earth, you look at the Earth and it's the same size the moon is in our sky. Well, you got equal distance between two objects. You're just going from one object to the other. But one of the objects is 8 times larger than the other object. So if you look at it in the sky, the Earth in the moon sky, it should be 8 times larger than what we see the moon in our sky. So we know that's not real.
How about the sun? You think it's a ball of fire?
We don't know what it is. No,
I don't know.
I just know it's not 93 million miles
I
away.
believe in God, but and the reason why I think I do is the only reason is because like beautiful women, and he designed them. Like he designed everything. Like so, what do you think about that? Like
well, I believe in a creator.
No. How will we? I know how I build buildings and stuff. I guess through genetics, I was told and I learned, but. So put it on a set of plans for them, but who created a butterfly or a dinosaur or us?
Right. So I don't.
It wasn't just a regular man. I don't think. I don't know. It had to be like science, like a.
Well, at this point, we would just be speculating between us,
If you put fire to gas, I'd see how that makes fire.
Right.
But so I guess it's just like a chemical. We're a chemical reaction to something. I don't know.
I don't know. It's speculation at that point, but I can prove to you that you can't have gas pressure next to a vacuum, which means the Earth is surrounded by some type of barrier. And if the Earth is surrounded by a barrier, it was put there by a creator.
Yeah, I always say like don't be happy with like your woman here. Like there's so many women in other countries. What about the ones in other worlds? Like that. You really think that? Like there's other worlds?
I believe
other
there's
places.
No, this is just my personal belief. I believe there's more land beyond Antarctica. The ring that surrounds the world, like in my shirt here.
Yeah.
See how Antarctica is like a ring that surrounds the shirt?
Where's Antarctica?
Earth? Antarctica is this white barrier.
Oh, Antarctica is around. I thought it was just one place.
No, that's what they show you on a globe. It's not real. Antarctica goes like a ring around the Earth. Think of the Earth as a lake.
Yeah.
The continents are islands in the lake, and Antarctica is the shoreline. But since 1959, they formed the Antarctic Treaty. No one's allowed to travel below the 60th south parallel. Sure, you can go on cruises, and scientists can go down there, but they're not going to take you, past the ice wall that's down here. Yeah, but my personal belief is there's more land and resources over there.
Like if you cross that, there would just be
right, like Admiral Byrd said.
Or just a whole nother world.
Yeah, and if we believe that if the Earth is round in a globe, that's a finite space. But if the Earth is a plane and it's flat, and there's more land beyond Antarctica, there's more resources. So if we live here in a globe,
how do I get in touch with you? On your website?
flatearth101.com.
You got like a blog or something?
My YouTube channel, thatflatfellow.com.
Oh yeah, you go on live and stuff like that?
Yeah, like now.
Okay, cool. I like it.
It was good to meet you. My name's Tommy.
Yes, sir. Jacob.
All right. Thank you.